In this video, we're going to look at 12 plus powerful performance hacks that will help you speed up your WordPress site and clean up unnecessary scripts and code. From disabling emojis and embeds to cleaning your header and stopping unwanted requests, these tweaks are super easy to apply and can make a big difference in your website's load time and performance. So, let's jump in and start optimizing. Alright, we all know this. A fast website is a better website, not just for visitors but also for SEO, as Google loves speed. So let's dive into Nexter's performance module, where you can apply smart one-click optimizations that reduces load time and clean up unnecessary bloat. Here, as you can see, there is a fresh list of toggles present, and trust me, these tiny switches can make a huge difference. So let's go through them, and starting off with the options, which will let you disable emojis, disable embeds, and disable dash icons. Through disable emojis, let me inform you that WordPress loads an emoji script for older browser. So if you don't care about that, just toggle it on and this will improve your website loading time. Next up, disable embeds. This blocks the extra JavaScript used for embedding posts across sites. If you are interested in not embedding WordPress posts into other pages, turn it on. Then comes disable dash icons. These are the little icon fonts used in the admin panel. They also load on the front end for logged in users, so if you don't need them, toggle this on. Now, moving ahead, let me tell you that your site's head section often includes a bunch of meta tags that you might never use. So, in order to clean that up, we've got three important options that are remove RSD link, remove WLVW manifest link, and remove short link. These are legacy tags that aren't really needed for modern WordPress sites. So why not keep clean headers, as it will directly implies better performance and even slightly better security. Also, if you're not using RSS feeds, it's recommended best to disable them. But if your audience subscribes to your blog, you might want to keep this one off. Now, let's talk about some extra requests that happen just because WordPress is being overly helpful. Here's how to stop them. First one, disable self-pingbacks. Have you ever seen a comment saying you link to your own post? Yeah, that's a self-pingback. You can turn that off right from here. Next up, disable password strength meter. This script loads even on pages where passwords aren't involved, like checkout pages, so if you don't need it, toggle it on to save resources. Lastly, mentioning defer CSS and JavaScript, which delays non-critical assets from loading immediately, helping your page load faster. And also, just be cautious, as it might affect how some elements load, so I recommend you to test it carefully before applying globally.